Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Dark Divinity in IQ Obby Evolved. Achieving Dark Divinity is the pinnacle of success in IQ Obby Evolved, demanding precision and dedication. It's not just about finishing the game, it's about mastering every challenge it presents. You'll need to understand the unique mechanics and hidden requirements for each stage. This guide will walk you through the essential steps and strategies to conquer this formidable goal. The singular path to Dark Divinity involves a meticulous approach. First, you must successfully navigate and complete all 100 main obby stages. This isn't a casual playthrough. Each stage demands a flawless execution, meaning no falls or resets are permitted. Furthermore, you are required to diligently locate and collect all 50 hidden IQ tokens scattered across the entire game world. Missing even one will prevent you from reaching your goal. To truly master the obby, you'll need to hone advanced techniques. This includes practicing pixel-perfect jumps and understanding corner clips, which are crucial for navigating complex sections. Developing efficient speedrun strategies will help you optimize your routes and save valuable time. Dedicate effort to learning the intricate layouts of each stage, anticipating common pitfalls, and executing precise movements. Consistent practice is key to overcoming these demanding challenges. Once you have meticulously completed all 100 stages flawlessly and collected every single one of the 50 IQ tokens, your journey nears its end. Proceed directly to the Divinity Altar, a sacred location within the game. Interact with the altar to officially claim your well-earned Dark Divinity, unlocking exclusive in-game rewards and recognition. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your setup. Congratulations on this monumental achievement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.